Right here we see our key mechanism, which is easily recognizable by our keys. Up front here there is a cover. It can be removed quite easily. You can also see the ratio clamp keys here. Ratio clamp. Simply pick it up. Look for a slight fit on the rod where the ratio clamp is to be mounted. Then slide it on. Remove the dust covers at the release connection. Screw in the hydraulic fittings. Now connect the pressure supply. Please note the minimum and maximum allowable pressures. Finally, secure the keys to the side of the ratio clamp.